Well, come up to let the chickens out again this morning. How's everybody doing? Bright sunny morning this morning. Pretty. Yeah, that one there, she's coming out. Well, let's check on everybody's favorite chicken. See how she's doing. Well, hello, darling. What are you doing today? You ready to get out and play? Yeah, she's out here ready to run. Like I say, most of the flock's out here. Some of them still inside. Doesn't sound like little Ruse is boisty at the moment. What are you doing, honey doll? Picking around on scraps? We got you plenty of food in there. Like I say, pretty good little chicken. Well, there's a pretty chicken. Sunshine making her nice golden feathers shine. Yeah, they're all just curious birds. There's Big Roo. He is a pretty bird. Little Roo, he's hanging out way back there in the back. Usually does. Anyway, does anybody want to say hello? Yep. Say hi. Good morning. You gonna say hello? Oh, you're camera shy. Nope, you ain't. Hi. Say hello. They all like treats. Like I say, honey chicken here, she just was picking at the sides of the cage. That's pretty normal. Anyway, that's the chickens this morning. They're all just hanging out. As you can see, the famous one lonely chicken is doing her thing. Anyway, there's y'all an update. Y'all have a good back door, people. And the one lonely chicken sitting here. Let's see how close we can get. She likes. Don't really like her on the deck, but it is a farm. So, what do you say about it? How you doing, girl? You having a good day? Let's see if we can say hi to the camera. Say hello. Yeah, she don't know what to think about it. Anyhow, let's see if we can just get her to go on down the steps here. Come on. Come on. Come on. Go on. Well, that's one way to get her off the porch, I guess. Anyhow, that's the life of the one lonely chicken. See you later.